Hey, we're Hayley and Jake.
In our last video, we started driving the iconic Icefields Parkway.
The scenery's been spectacular, and we've been loving all the stops we've been making along the way.
We ended our first day camping at the base of the Athabasca Glacier. And today, we're driving the second half of the Icefields Parkway. Good morning, guys. Day 2 in Jasper National Park. We woke up to spectacular views of the glaciers at sunrise, and now we're just starting Wilcox Pass hike. So we'll see how it is.
The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Yeah, well, it's my
That parking lot's where we slept last night, and at the end of our last video, we walked up to this glacier.
If you haven't seen that video yet, go check it out.
Columbia ice fields are awesome!
Yeah!
I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go.
We're starting to get above the tree line now, and the views are spectacular. We can see all of the glaciers up here.
Take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge.
And some of the hikes around here, there's these red chairs. And it's just a cool spot to stop and enjoy the view. It's a little windy.
And it's turning into parachute.
We can always stay a little longer. We don't have a plan.
We're giving the life straw a little
Just
try.
let me live a little younger than I really am. We've got nothing here to save us from ourselves. Let's live life like it's made up. Jump in the wishing well. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. 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 We are wanderers, nothing.
We've encountered our first visitors on this trail. They are bighorn sheep. This must be what Finnley was smelling. There's Finnley. Yeah. We're gonna give them their space and we're gonna have a granola bar. Hey, Finnley, let's go this way, buddy. Come on. You're just sitting there hanging out.
And while we wait, these are our views.
So Jake is taking one for the team, or we are sacrificing him to the mountain goats to see if he can pass. And then we will proceed with Sir Finnley. So far they are accepting the offering. I think they're actually more concerned about Finnley than they are about Jake. They're not even looking at him. Fully crossed. They accepted our offering of Jacob. No, I'm just kidding, he's right here. Finnley's here too. Oh, we're high. We made it. First impressions of the view.
That's unreal. Like all around, we're in a huge mountain valley with imposing peaks. And then we have these glaciers. That's awesome.
So right there, that's where we walked to in our last video, and then we hiked up to the glacier. You can also do tours up on the glacier, and there's a road going right here. You'll take a shuttle up here and you'll get to the base where you can hop on an ice crawler and it'll take you all the way up onto the glacier. So we started our hike somewhere over there. You can't even see where we started. We popped our heads up and we walked all the way around and then up over this hill. And we got to here.
It's pretty nice.
Yeah.
Well, this has been the hike up. We will see you guys on the way down. Sun is out and we're back at the van. Just having a bit of lunch, fueling up, and then back on the road. Wow. Holy wow. It's like, oh yeah, boom.
Holy smokes, we just came around the corner and there is a waterfall here. And look at that! Wow!
The only gas station between Banff and Lake Louise.
Emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and I'm old. Still can't fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love?
Thank you for cleaning your feet.
What do we do to love?
I think you find out with the response.
What do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done.
We said goodbye to the Icefields Parkway and headed to a campground in Lake Louise.
Join us in our next video where we explore the iconic Banff National Park.
Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another adventure. See you in the next one.